When you receive your Formlabs resin printer, prepare a space for the printer, then remove the lid from the box. Be sure to retrieve the power cord from inside the lid. Lift the printer onto the workspace and remove the felt cover. Keep this if you plan on transporting the printer, or feel free to place it on the printer when not in use. Just note that you don't want to keep this cover on while printing. Be sure to remove any internal locks from the print enclosure if present. The Form 4's print enclosure comes empty since it is an MSLA resin printer rather than the motion-based SLA system used by its predecessors. Plug the printer in and flip the switch on that is located at the back of the printer. On the printer UI, you'll be presented with the onboarding workflow. This involves selecting the region, connecting to a network if desired, enabling the camera and communication of analytical data to Formlabs, as well as leveling the printer. For leveling, use the included leveling disc to rotate the feet highlighted in red in the direction displayed on the UI. Once the dot is in the center, your printer is level. This utility is super user-friendly. At the end, you'll be prompted to add your printer to Dashboard, which is Formlabs' online printer management site. You'll do so using the 4-digit code that's displayed on the UI. Once you've created an account, log in, click the printer icon on the left panel, and then click Add Printer. Enter the code from the printer's UI here. As part of this onboarding process, you will also be asked to insert consumables into the printer. The first consumables to insert are the resin tank and mixer. Place these into their respective locations and lock them into place, and then confirm on the printer's UI. There are physical locks used for the resin tank and mixer on the Form 4, unlike its predecessors. Repeat this process for the build platform and close the printer's visor afterwards. Now, before inserting the resin cartridge, it's a best practice to check the bite valve. With the vent cap closed, turn the resin cartridge upside down and using gloves, pinch the bite valve to ensure it can open freely. Sometimes flashing can occlude the valve, in which case, use a plastic credit card to open it. Don't ever use any kind of metal tool to open the bite valve. Then, shake the resin cartridge to disturb any settling, again making sure the vent cap is closed. Place the cartridge into the printer once thoroughly shook and open the vent cap. This is the order consumables should always be inserted. Reverse these steps for removal of all consumables. You are now ready to print.